Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my smoky eye tutorial, and it's been a while since I've done my last makeup tutorial, and I just wanted to let you guys know that I have not neglected the makeup side of this channel. I'm only going to be working on one eyelid today, you guys, so just to let you know, I have already primed my eyelid. And now I'm using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder just to help my shadows to blend a lot easier. And speaking of shadows, I'm going to be using my 3502 palette by Morphe brushes. And for my transition color, I'm using this rusty, at least it's rusty on my skin tone. But all the shades that I'll be using under that palette will be listed down below. The shades in the 3502 palette are named. And as my base, I'm going to be using my NYX Cosmetics Black Jumbo Pencil just to lay out that foundation for my black shadow. Just doing things the best that we can. We just doing things the best that we can. Hey, yeah. We just doing things the best that we can. Yeah. This step is very important. You want to make sure that you blend out the mess that you've created on your lid. Okay, make it nice and seamless as possible just to set you up for your next step. And now I'm going in with the black shadow, and I'm just going to pat that over my base. And with my same brush that I used to apply my transition color, I'm going to blend out that black into the transition color as much as possible. And moving on to my eyeliner, I'm using my EyeStudio by Maybelline just to darken up the lash line. And I went in and added more black shadow to my brush and just blended it into my crease just to define my smoky eye. And for my mascara, I'm using my Big Shot by Shayla. And to clean and define my shadow, I'm just using my makeup remover. And being that I'm only focusing on my eyes today, I didn't go through the process of showing you my foundation routine. We know we focus on that also in my previous videos, but we just want to focus on the eyes. Well, I guess the contour too. For my cream contour, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit. And I want to chisel out everything. Cheekbones, nose, forehead. Things the best that we can. We making it. We just doing things the best that we can. We can. Hey, we just doing things the best that we can. Hey, yeah. We just doing things the best that we can. Yeah. We just doing things the best that we can. We making it. We just doing things the best that we can. We can. Hey, we just doing things the best that we can. Hey, yeah. We just doing things the best that we can. To cut out my cheekbone a little bit more, I'm just going in with my setting powder. I'm using my red VINO Baked Blush by Milani Cosmetics. And for my lower lash line, I'm using the exact same shade that I used as my transition color. And I slowed this clip down just so that you could see what I was doing. It's not a special brush that I'm using or anything like that. I just chose a small one that would do the job. It's doing the job, y'all. It's doing the job. And I'm using that black to go over that orange shade. The goal is to smoke out the eye to make it as dark as possible. And then I'm using my Maybelline EyeStudio as my eyeliner on my lower waterline and lash line. For the inner corners of my eyes, I'm going to be using this rose gold shade. I'm not sure if it's rose gold, but looking at it on the monitor, it looks rose gold, okay? But like I said, I'll let you know the shade that I'll be using in the description. So we're just going to add some mascara to the lower lashes to bring the eye look together. And I can't forget to enhance my beauty mark, of course. As my highlight, I'm using my Gerard Cosmetics Star Powder in Lucy. You don't want to forget to dust away the setting powder that we use to chisel our cheeks. Moving on to my lips, I'm going to be using my Colourpop Kai with the collaboration with CAROB lip liner, and I'm using my Gerard Cosmetics Hydra Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Nude, and I'm going over my Cupid's bow using my Star Powders by Gerard Cosmetics in the shade Lucy. And to complete my look, I'm going to be using my setting powder by Gerard Cosmetics as well in Rose. And that completes this look. I will catch you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and comment and like and all of that grand stuff. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!